Hi, it's me, your online ukulele teacher, ViolinJudy, and here is a practice video for the wheels on the bus. In this song, we're going to start switching from one chord to another chord. Now, we've learned C7, and that is our first finger on A string in the first fret. We're also going to use the F chord, our green dots, 1 on E, 2 on G. And so we're going to switch back and forth. We're going to start on F, so get your finger set on the green dots. And we're going to start with an easy strumming pattern. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Switch to C7. Round and round. Switch back to F. Round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Switch. All through. Switch. The town. And then you can sing lots of other verses like the people on the bus go up and down, up and down. I like the wipers go swish, swish, swish. Now we're also going to go from page 36 to page 37. It's raining, it's pouring. We're going to do another song with F and C7. It's raining, it's pouring. C7. He went to bed and he bumped his head and he couldn't get up in the morning. We're starting with F. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. C7. He went to bed and he bumped his head and he couldn't get up. Switch back. In the morning. In your book, you'll see the chords C7 or F written above the word, and this will help you know when to switch the chords. We're going to do this again on page 38, apples and bananas. More switching between F and C7. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat look at the strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down. Down, up, down. Down, up, down. We'll go a little faster. Down, down, up, down. Down, up, down. Down, up, down. You can sing this song over and over again, changing the vowel sound from ate to oat to ite to oot, eat and eat. This is a fun, silly song to practice. Have a good week, and don't forget to practice these songs that change from C7 to F.